James here, and today we're taking a quick look at a new product, guys. This is from Serene. This is their Evolution white noise machine for anybody, guys. Really, this is for anybody. This is a cool little sound machine. Does 60 soothing sounds. You have white noises. You have like 3 white noises, 5 brown noises, 4 pink noises. You have a crowd noise. You even have snoring noises. You have oceans, waterfall, rain, showers, brook. You have fans. You have 13 different fan styles, guys. You have 2 hair dryers, a helicopter, a vacuum, 2 trains, a dryer, a couple birds, a lion roar, crickets, frogs, flutes, wind chimes, chirps, and you have nature sounds, which is quite cool. Now, this is a white version, of course. We're going to pop this open and give you guys a first look and a little quick sound test. Now, we're not going to go through all the sounds because, well, that'd just be redundant. First, you have the power brick with the USB cable, guys, and we'll just plug that in. Then we have this nice little remote. Simple little remote, guys. Has the power, has the timer, has the volume control, and then has some of your sound settings on it. Now, to make sure to make that work, guys, always pull the little plastic piece so the actual remote will come on. Then your cable, guys, very simple, very easy. Just pull it out, plug it in. It's just a standard wall brick with the USB adapter. You just plug the USB in, plug this into a cord, and then plug it into the device. Now, the device, if we can get to it, it's actually in here nice and well done, guys. I was not expecting it to be as wrapped as well as it was. I'm going to set the box aside. I really don't need the box. So here's your first look at the device, guys. Nice white and gray. On the top, you have your speaker. Then you have your power. You have your timer, 30, 60, or 120 minutes. Then you have your white noises, your fan noises, your nature noises, your music. Then you have your volume controls, guys. Simple, easy, right? Take your plug it into the back, and that is where we're going to get it. Now, it does have a nice soft rubber pad, and I do have an extension cord over here. So with the extension cord, I'm just going to plug it in just like this, guys. Just that simple. So we have that plugged in. Now, hopefully, when I hit the power button, once it comes on, it's rather loud, right? We're going to adjust the sound down some. We're going to start messing with stuff. Fire. I like the fire. That's cool. I'm going to adjust that down a little more, right? Let's go to nature. Fan noises, white noise, timer on and off, guys. Very simple, very easy. Again, this is the Serene 60 sounds white noise machine, guys. If you need it, they got you covered with this Serene white noise machine. Thanks for checking this video out, and I hope you have a great one.